CENOS radio frequency software is specialized for designing and analyzing high-frequency electromagnetic systems, such as antennas, multiple networks, and different RF systems. The simulation process begins by importing the model from a CAD or Gerber file that defines the geometry of the RF structure. When using Gerber files, the layer stack-up must be defined before proceeding. The software automatically generates the error domain necessary for accurate electromagnetic field simulation. It will be necessary to define key components such as ports, loop elements, conductive parts, and any other relevant objects in the system. In the next step, the user assigns materials and sets up the required simulation parameters. It could be the frequency range, impedance, and so on. Once the simulation is complete, the user receives results in a format optimized for fast and insightful analysis. Engineers can extract key metrics such as reflection and transmission coefficients, BSWR, and impedance across the frequency range, as well as the total radiated power. Users can also analyze radiation patterns in both 2D and 3D, offering a clear view of the directional characteristics of the emitted electromagnetic waves. In addition, the software allows for the examination of polarization through the axial ratio. The distribution of electric and magnetic fields can be visualized to gain a deeper understanding of the overall electromagnetic behavior. For applications sensitive to proximity effects, the near-field region can be analyzed in detail. Additionally, the software supports the evaluation of current density on conductive surfaces. The workflow supports efficient iteration. Users can modify the geometry and reload the updated file into CENOS without starting from scratch. A built-in object recognition algorithm identifies existing components and retains all previous simulation settings, enabling a quick rerun with a single click. Additionally, parametric studies are supported, allowing users to explore design variations efficiently by loading the necessary files, setting up the first case, and running the simulation to automatically generate results for multiple scenarios. To optimize efficiency, the CENOS Simulation Manager add-on helps improve efficiency by allowing users to queue and run multiple simulations automatically. This makes better use of computer resources and allows different design studies to run without user intervention.